The markets opened weaker today. There was a prospect of, with a doji in yesterday's trading, that if it opened lower, there would be some profit taking, which the Dow did exactly that. It came right back to the T line, but the overall trend, as we can see, was upwards, as indicated by the stochastics and the strong buy signal that occurred off the 200-day moving average, with a bullish harami, a doji, bullish confirmation, and then a close above the T line. This told us we were in an uptrend until we saw a sell signal and a close back below the T line, and that wouldn't occur most likely until the stochastics have gotten back up into the overbought area. Additionally, the S&P 500 looked like with a doji that came up after they came up through a resistance level, would come back and see if it's going to act as support. The S&P 500 opened right on the 50 and started moving up from there. So this clearly reveals that all this was doing during a selling day was profit taking, and then the bulls stepped back in. It made going after trades aggressively much more comfortable, especially in our recommendation the other day when we started buying LIVE live prior to the split, and because of the J-hook type pattern. And notice the morning star signal that brought you back up above the T line, and then your best friend, which is a doji gap up out through this resistance level, this little scoop type pattern, and the overall J-hook pattern. So this positive trading, which now has brought this price up over 40% in the last 2 days, is very easy to analyze, because if this is wave 1, wave 3 should be up another couple points before they run into resistance. Basically, the graphic depiction of what's going on in investor sentiment allows an investor to much easily analyze what goes on in human nature time after time and taking advantage of those price moves. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.